Feeling stiff and achy? Let me introduce you to your new best friend, Pilates. Picture this, you're lying on a mat engaging muscles you didn't even know existed. Suddenly, you're moving with the grace of a dancer and the strength of an athlete. That's the magic of Pilates. It's not about sweating buckets or lifting heavy weights. It's about precision, control, and that sweet burn in your core. You'll stand taller, move easier, and feel like you've unlocked a secret level in the game of life. Ready to transform your body from the inside out? Let's Pilates. Ready to unlock the secrets of Pilates? Let's dive into the ABCs that'll transform your practice. A is for alignment. It's all about engaging your powerhouse. Think abs, lower back, hips, and pelvic floor working together. B stands for breathing, the key to stabilizing your spine and connecting mind to body. See, that's control, your ticket to maximizing every move. There are 34 original Pilates exercises, each one focusing on specific muscles and joints. No unnecessary tension here, just pure, efficient movement that'll leave you feeling strong, centered, and totally in tune with your body. So are you ready? Let's do this. Pilates isn't just trendy, it's a game changer for your body. The benefits include a stronger core, killer flexibility, and improved balance. But wait, there's more. Pilates doesn't just work your abs. It targets muscles you didn't even know you had. Say goodbye to that slouch and hello to picture-perfect posture. And the best part? It's like a massage for your spine, melting away that pesky back pain. Oh, and did I mention it can help you shed those extra pounds? Trust me, once you start Pilates, you'll transform your body and feel amazing. Let's roll out that mat and get started. Hey there, let's bust some Pilates myths, shall we? First up, Pilates is not just for women. Surprise. It was actually invented by a man, Joseph Pilates, to improve his own health. Myth busted. I think Pilates isn't a full body workout. Wrong again. It moves your body in all directions, strengthening and mobilizing every muscle. It's like a 360-degree fitness party for your body. Get this, Pilates is amazing for your spine. All those twists and turns, they're like a spa day for your vertebrae, keeping your discs plump and healthy. So whether you're young, old, pregnant, or recovering from an injury, Pilates has got your back, literally. Don't let these myths hold you back. Give Pilates a try and feel the difference for yourself. New York City, 1920s. Joseph Pilates creates a revolutionary exercise method that would later become a dancer's secret weapon. Fast forward to today and Pilates is everywhere. But here's the kicker, you don't need fancy equipment. Hey Pilates lovers, think you need fancy equipment to level up your mat practice? Think again. All you really need is a mat and a great attitude. But if you're looking to spice things up, I've got the scoop on some awesome gear. For mini ball, it's like a secret weapon for alignment and muscle activation. Want a balance challenge? Grab a stability ball. Now, let's talk resistance. The Magic Circle is a game changer, perfect for all levels. And don't forget stretch bands, long ones for control, loop bands for intensity. Pro tip, band colors matter. Yellow for beginners, black for the pros. Whether you're sticking to the basics or going all out, there's something for everyone in the Pilates equipment world. Which one are you dying to try? Pilates attire should prioritize moisture-wicking fabrics like bamboo, nylon, or polyester to keep you cool and dry. Avoid anything with buttons, zippers, or hoods that could dig into your back. Opt for stretchy, flexible clothing that allows unrestricted movement. Leave jewelry at home, as it can be uncomfortable during exercises. For footwear, go barefoot or wear grip socks for better floor contact and control. Dress for comfort and freedom of movement to get the most out of your Pilates session. Hey fitness enthusiasts, Ready to revolutionize your workout routine? Let's Pilates, the ultimate mind-body connection that'll skyrocket your flexibility, mobility, and strength. No more excuses, it's time to dive in. I've crafted a beginner-friendly 20-minute Pilates flow just for you. We'll tackle the most common exercises tailored for newbies. Remember your ABCs: alignment, breathing, and control. Each move takes about a minute or 10, 12 reps, depending on your level. It's not a race, so take it slow, breathe, and stay aligned. Trust me, after this session, you'll feel like a whole new person. Pilates isn't just exercise, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Ready to transform your body and mind? Let's do this. The roll-up, great for flexibility, mobility, and strength. The 100 chin is tucked in, stack the hips and knees. Rolling like a ball, nose close to the knees. Leg circles, circle in and circle out, small controlled movements. Single leg stretch, remember your ABC. Leg circles, circle in and circle out, small controlled movements. Single leg stretch, remember your ABC. Double leg stretch, breathing is key here. Keep your core engaged, remember your ABCs. When you are ready, add your hands. Double leg circles, feel the movement coming out of your pelvic zone. Double leg stretch. Breathing is key here. Keep your core engaged. Rolling like a ball, nose close to the knees. Three, two, one. Side kicks, great for the obliques and legs. Point and flex your feet. Inner tight pulses, great leg workout. Clam 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Rolling like a ball, nose close to the knees.
Hay sus inconvenientes en ser paloma.
Side kicks, great for the obliques and legs. Point and flex your feet. Inner tight pulses. Clam 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Rolling like a ball, nose close to the knees. Congrats, you have completed your workout. Remember, no heavy lifting after Pilates.